It means that we have a vested interest in making sure we do it right. We are in it for the long haul with you to prevent leaks in your workplace. And we're willing to put our own profitability at risk to make sure that that happens. Now on leak repair services, the pay once promise is similar. So we have out of the truck repairs like wire wraps and peening and drill and taps. We have leak repair services like valve packing. And in those services, we will offer you a pay once promise that it will start up leak-free and it will stay leak-free for anywhere from 30 days to a full year, depending on the type of repair and the amount of engineering that went into it. With engineered repairs, where we're actually going out and measuring and designing a leak containment device, a leak repair enclosure, we're installing that leak repair enclosure and we install it, we make sure the sealant cures off, we come back and check its leak-free status 24 hours after the initial repair is done. At that point, we give you a 1-year pay once promise. We guarantee those engineered repairs for a full 1 year. And what happens with all of those services, whether it's a valve packing, whether it's an out of the truck repair like the drill and taps and wire and peens and wire wraps, or it's an engineered enclosure, we will come out and do free leak repair re-injections. No cost for labor, no cost for travel, no cost for materials, because we own that leak for the duration of the entitlement that we give you with our pay once promise. We feel that leak repair and leak prevention is not leak maintenance. Many clients, what they actually get with leak prevention, like bolting services, or what they get with leak repair is neither of those things. What you're actually buying is leak maintenance and the opportunity to call that supplier back and re-bolt it up, or to hot bolt it, or to call them back in to do another leak repair injection.